Hi everyone, my name is Chef Aaron and welcome back to another special clip of Flavorbox. And today, join me to a very beautiful Indian trip as we make a deeply Indian flavored tea spice that has become a very famous tea in the world, tea masala. Guess what? You're gonna love this. You're going to love this. Let's make it together. Let's go. All right, so we're going to start off with star anise. We have cloves, we have cinnamon sticks, we have black corns, and cardamom pods. Now you can use the green ones. Whatever you have in your pantry will be absolutely justifiable. And then your tea. If you have a tea bag, that's okay. Then you have sugar, you have cloves, some ginger, milk, and then my pot. Star anise, maybe just one is enough. Cloves, I'm going to put about 2 there. And then some of my cinnamon stick. And then black pepper in. Maybe about 3 corns are good. Oh, lost a few. 3 corns. And then cardamom pods. Again, heat it up with some 3 pods. Majani is going to come in later, what we call tea bags, that will come in later. Bay leaf in, and then give it a light stir. You want to make sure that goes in. Our tea bag, or if you have tea leaves, go in there with them. Be generous. Give it that about 1 minute. You just want the water to turn color, extracting all that flavor and color from the tea leaves. And then you're going to go in with the water at low heat. Turn your fire down, and then boom with the milk. Oh, look at that. All right, so all the flavors in our pot have been deeply extracted. The flavors are amazing. This masala tea would definitely be the kind that you'd want to make for your breakfast. So we're going to sieve this into our jug, just slightly. So like I said, you can use sugar or you can use honey for this. This being an Indian tea, I decided to make some roti and just tap it up in there. I pick my garnish, snap that right there, and then voila. Look at that, people. Guys, let's go in. Mama.